I'll let people, you know, let people play them anymore. Promotion. Ah. Oh, great game. Actually worked out. Okay. Alright, I didn't want to buy it myself. When you get third place, it makes a lot more sense. Well, mate, well, blessed, but you're a high, lower, but, how much does that make sense in fucking 10th place? Well, fuck you. Fucking asshole throwing it backwards. Roughwood played Bull Bill! We're not frantic, right? Because nobody wants to play frantic for some reason. Wait a minute! Yes! 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 Suck it! Suck it, game.